Hi everyone, my name is Madeline, and today I'm going to be talking about why we should always learn. This presentation is for a project for my college education learning frameworks class, and so let's go ahead and begin. So first, I'm going to define the definition of learning. Learning is the activity or process of gaining knowledge or skill by studying, practicing, being taught, or experiencing something. In this project, I learned that there was recently a research study done by Harvard Business Review about stress management. And they said that in two recent research projects, one with employees from a variety of industries and organizations, and the other with medical residents, we found evidence that engaging in learning activities can buffer workers from detrimental effects of stress, including negative emotions, unethical behavior, and burnout. And this was, like I said, done by the Harvard Business Review, recently studied in 2021. And some inside facts that they got about actually learning from this study, that the psychological effects of learning something new. We often gain knowledge. This allows new information and knowledge to be gained, which is overall a benefit for us as a human. We also form new skills. We are able to develop new capabilities to problem solve or prevent stressors from arising in the future. When we learn something new, we feel accomplished. We also have a psychological growth. Learning new things or skills gives us the feeling of growth instead of staying stagnant over our lifespan. So this is very important, that we continuously learn over time so that we are growing as individuals. And also, learning something can be a really great stress relief. The knowledge we gain can be used to solve problems. These problems may have acted as stressors before the knowledge was gained. So there are things like we might be stressed about because we are not knowledgeable about them, and then that task becomes no longer stressful because we learned how to adapt and to do that skill. So the biological effects of learning is neurons in our nervous system are cells that travel throughout the brain and body and instruct our body to complete a task. When learning, neurons are able to build connections. This is called neuroplasticity. When learning something new, the human brain has the ability to build new connections between neurons. The continuous learning of that topic allows for the neuron connection to strengthen and become more efficient over time, meaning these neurons are able to fire faster the parts of your body to complete the new task you learned. And this was from a study in Understanding Your Brain in 2020. And this is kind of like a case study that was put together by me for kind of something to realize and talk about after she decided to learn. So Mari works a full-time job at a corporate job for a sports marketing agency. She recently has been feeling overwhelmed and stressed at work with the upcoming fall football season starting. This means she must meet many fast and upcoming deadlines. She has been working hard hours but still feels like she is not accomplishing enough. After finding research studies on learning new skills and the benefits it can have on her emotionally, she decided to start learning about marketing on the new social media platform TikTok, since she feels more mentally less stressed and is more efficient in creating content on TikTok. So it shows that psychologically she feels mentally less stressed from learning this new behavior that can help her in a job. And also she is becoming more efficient because those neurons are connecting over time and building stronger connections, which means they are becoming more efficient. And here are the references. These were all great places to look if you would like to read more about the subject. The first is Harvard Business Review. The second was actually the dictionary where I defined learning. And then the third is Understanding Your Brain to Help You Learn Better. And this is the site that's for Frontiers of Young Minds. So they're really great resources if you'd like to look into more information on this topic of learning and the benefits that learning has psychologically and biologically. Thanks, guys. Bye.